Hello Instagram, hello Facebook, hello everybody. It is Thursday and welcome to my cocktail time live with Jamie. I'm excited to have you all here with me today. Give everybody a few minutes to join in. I know it takes a few minutes, sometimes a little delayed, so we'll give everybody a moment here to log in. Happy Thursday. Hope everybody had an awesome week so far, and we are getting ready to get into our weekend. So Thursday is kind of the start of our weekend. We are open here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, closed Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is kind of like my Monday. So welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support. Marcus and I are super thankful. Interestingly enough, I watched some videos this week of some other businesses, some other distilleries doing these Facebook Lives. They're doing happy hours like me, so that's cool. I don't know, I might be on 131 or 132, maybe even more Facebook Lives that I have been doing. I've been doing them since the beginning of March, so that's pretty cool. And I'm always trying to find cool, interesting, fun things to talk about. Marcus and I also do a wine time live, usually on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, where we talk about our experiences at wineries. And yesterday was our first off-premise Facebook Live for our podcast and for Facebook. On Wine Time Live. We were at Ribibero Winery yesterday. We actually had an awesome day yesterday. It was beautiful. I thought it was supposed to rain and it ended up being really nice, but we ended up at two wineries yesterday. One of them, which is Stoutridge, which I'm going to be using their gin today for my drinks, Stoutridge Distillery. Maybe Marcus, if he's following, if he's on, he can tag them and maybe they can watch the Facebook Live. And the other winery we went to was Ribibero, and we talked about the winery. We talked about some trips that we've been on, and we tasted their Gewürztraminer and then their New York Tough Red, which was a blend. I had Petit Verdot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Cab Franc, and one other grape that I just can't remember. So that was fun, and we sat on the porch and the deck. I gotta tell you, both of those wineries do a fantastic job. It makes you want to come back. I'm really excited. We actually were there at Ribibero on Sunday with some friends. We sat out on the lawn. And Stoutridge, I can't wait to get back there as well. Stoutridge, they also are a distillery, but they started as a winery. The winemaker's been making wine for about 27 years. They've owned the property, Stoutridge, for over 16 years. And we were really, really impressed. I had never been there before. Marcus had never been there before. We've heard about them, but their wines are not for sale off-premise. They're only for sale. On-premise, the wine, so you can get a bottle, take it home, or drink the wine there on premise. But they just started their distillery, I think he said about 6 months ago. And the cool thing about them, Stephen and Kim, is that they are both chemists. And so they are really trying to figure out formulas for things, and they really spend a lot of time on each product. And I can't tell you, I was shocked at how many products they actually make. I mean, we tasted a bunch of stuff, but he's like, you haven't even gotten into all of the stuff. I think he said over 45 spirits,
25 wines.
and 25 wines. I mean, 45 spirits is a lot of spirits, and
everything is so scientific.
So scientific. We went into their lab, and it was incredible. And so I'm gonna be using this dry gin, which has fennel and almond in it. It's a Italian style gin. It's awesome. It's on our shelves now. It is $55 a bottle. And I'm gonna probably end up putting this Negroni, I'm gonna be making a Negroni today with their gin. I'm gonna probably put this on our menu, on our drink menu, because I gotta tell you, it is awesome, this gin. I cannot wait to taste it in a Negroni. I'm really excited. It has almond and anise. If you smell it, you can just smell it. I mean, you can just smell those flavors. Oh, it's so yummy and so good. I'm really, really excited about making this drink. I couldn't wait to get on today so that I could show you this drink. I also, yesterday morning, I was up super early in the office and I was listening to some really cool drinks that Wild Moon is making out of Connecticut. And I'm excited about trying some of their drinks. Let's see, we are open tonight. It is Thursday. It is $9.99 burgers to go. We have our chickpea burger, which is vegan or vegetarian. You can put cheese on it. We have our forager burger. We have a blue cheese and roasted tomato, and we have our classic bacon and cheddar burger. And those are $9.99 to go. We also have lots of wine and spirits and things that you can take home with you. Our beer on tap is half price, so you can take a beer home with you. Thank you everybody for watching. I totally appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, put hashtag replay. If there's a drink you want to see me make, leave a comment. Let me know you're there. I love to see who's watching me. It's fun to be on. I'm actually on Instagram and Facebook right now, so I'm kind of going back and forth. Let's see. This weekend we have our Oktoberfest specials. The garden will be open. We will probably have inside open as well. Let's see, we'll have our fire pit going. We have heaters outside. And so we'll be open for that. We have some cool Oktoberfest specials. We have a Bavarian pretzel. We have a smoked pork porterhouse. We also have our brisket is back, everybody. If you love our briskets, we have our brisket, which is back. And then we also, I know I'm forgetting one other thing. What other Oktoberfest? Oh, and bratwurst, sorry. We have a vegan bratwurst and a regular bratwurst with sauerkraut served on our pretzel bun. Hello, thank you everybody. Thank you. I'm waving out to you. Thanks, Ralph. Hello, Ralph. Hello, Sean. Hello, Joe. Sarah. Hello, Cheryl. I also don't want to forget to talk about the event on Monday night. It is a spirit event. And then in 2 weeks, we'll do another wine event. We'll get that out to you shortly. But we will have Michael from Black Infusions. He makes an apple and a fig vodka. And he will be here helping me make drinks on Monday night. $25 a person. It is 3 drinks and a dish in the garden. It will definitely be something fig related. Maybe we'll do a cheese plate with fig. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet. Marcus, any clue yet? Have you given it any thought?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. So that's Monday. I'd love for you to join me. If you want to make reservations, 647-3000, give me a call. I'd love to have you join me for the spirit event in the garden. Michael Davidson, the owner, will be here. He will be pouring drinks with me, making drinks with me. You're going to get to make a drink. I know he's bringing some swag with him from Black Infusions. I'd love for you to join me, so call ahead, 647-3000. Limited space. We don't take many people for them. There's only limited space outside, and depending upon the weather, make sure you dress warm. I'm going to say that all the way around. All right, let's get on to my Negroni. So it is a Stoutridge gin Negroni. So a Negroni has equal parts gin, usually Campari, and sweet vermouth. As you know, we don't use any big brands, so we use Zamaro from Pure. And I'm going to actually measure it out. I'm going to put it into my shaker. I'm actually going to get the water out because I put ice in early. So let me just, oh yeah, glad I did it. I don't want to water this down. So I'm going to put an ounce of the Stoutridge gin. I am going to put an ounce of sweet vermouth. And then I'm going to put an ounce of Zamaro, which is a bitters from Germany, an organic bitters. Very similar to Campari. I use it in my Prosecco spritzes. I always use it in my Negronis, and people are like, wow, that's delicious. So I'm really interested to taste this. The anise, the fennel in the gin. I gotta tell you, this gin is awesome. I mean, I would have a gin and tonic with this. I mean, it's an awesome gin. So, all right, Marcus is excited about this too. He can't wait. He's actually moving over here. He'll be lucky if I share it with him. see it. Yummy. You can put your Negroni on the rocks. You can put it, and then I put a orange slice on the side. So there you go. Let's taste it. Let's see. I'm gonna squeeze that orange and put that in there. I'm really excited about this. Cheers, everybody. Wow. Wow. That is going on our menu. That is absolutely delicious. I'm shocked. I gotta tell you, we were shocked yesterday tasting the spirits at Stoutridge. This is an awesome, gin.
Everything was more than impressive.
More than impressive.
Really, we admire their craftsmanship, their dedication to quality.
The time and energy that they spend and the things that they do there is so similar to how Marcus and I spend our time, just planning things and trying things, and just really cool. I mean, we really enjoyed our tasting there. Stay tuned. We're gonna actually we got a bottle of their wine, and this is a 12-year-old Ridge Red,
which is their current release.
Which is their current release of this wine. This wine there is $25. Stay tuned. Marcus and I are going to probably review it next week on our Wine Time Live. So stay tuned for that. We're going to plan a trip to Stoutridge as well in the next, maybe even next weekend. We'll see. I know it is Columbus Day weekend next weekend, but maybe next Sunday. If you're around and you want to meet us at Stoutridge, we will bring food with us, and we can sit out on the lawn in tables of 6, and we will drink wine with you and bring food and just be outside of the restaurant relaxing and enjoying with you. So one of the other products that we brought home with us is this Southern Ulster blended whiskey, which also just was amazing. This is they take their malt, and they have a malt drying room, right? Like a barley drying room. And we went up into the room, and boy, the smell that we smelled when we walked into that room, you could see the sprouts. They were sprouting. They keep their malts in there for 4 days, right? And then this is made with it, right?
Yes.
Yes, this is made with it. So
and the kiln is on there. It dries.
Oh yeah, this is the kiln. It actually it goes up to the next room up where they dry the malt, sprout and dry the malt. So the malt that in here is barley, right?
It's barley malt.
Barley malt.
And then there's
other
grains
in here as well. We'll have to find that out. Maybe we should also do a review on local spirits coming up soon too. That'd be kind of fun. So again, we are open tonight. $9.99 burgers to go. Don't forget my cocktail tasting on Monday. $25 a person. You can't beat that. It is 3 cocktails. Fig. I think I'm going to do 2 fig, 1 apricot. You'll get to taste the fig and the apricot vodka by themselves. You can buy it afterwards. You can take them home. The spirits. How much are they? They are $35 a piece. You don't have to. You can just come to the tasting. Call, make a reservation, 647-3000 for the tasting on Monday. So we'll do 3 drinks and a dish. I don't know what Marcus has in planned out yet, but his dishes are always cool, and they're fun. Stay tuned. Next week, maybe we'll go to Stoutridge, and you can join us on a Sunday outside on the lawn, and then we'll do another wine tasting in 2 weeks from there. So today I made a Stoutridge local gin and gin Negroni. It's awesome. I guess that is it for today. Hopefully we'll see you all this weekend or soon. Marcus and I again appreciate your business. Our grocery store is still open. We've actually added things to our grocery store, and we're getting more and more orders. Wild salmon just came back into stock. People get it fast. I have a feeling it's going to go fast. People are starting to stock up their freezers again. coming into the fall and into the winter. So they're stocking up on foods that they would like throughout the fall and the winter. So hope everybody's happy, healthy, safe, and I will see everybody tomorrow for my happy hour on Friday. Enjoy, cheers, and we'll see everybody soon. Bye.